Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make money with Claude AI. There are ways for beginners on how to simply earn money with Claude AI. So first and foremost, you need to create an account on Claude AI. Basically, we're using the free version. These are the features that we can use since we're using the free version. And if you want to upgrade your plan, all you have to do is to pay for this and you will unlock these features. But for this tutorial, let's just use the basic version for Claude AI. So you can skip this part or you can download it for Windows. Okay, so basically, this is what it looks like. You need to enter your name, your birth date, or you can skip this part or set up later. So basically, if you're using the free version, always remember that there are limited access to some features. This is the interface of Claude AI on the left side. The features are the following like chats. You can also look for projects and spaces. And below the text box, you can see here, right? Learn code, live stuff, and the model that we are about to use. Since we're using the free version, we can only use this model. But if you want to use other models, you need to upgrade your plan. For the effort, you can choose medium, high, or low. So for this tutorial, let's just click or use the medium version. So, to upgrade more models, you need to upgrade your plan into Pro. So, basically, the first thing to do here or ways on how to earn money using Claude AI is, of course, freelance writing. So, Claude excels at generating high quality written content. So, you can use it to help create blog posts, website copy, produce descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, and business proposals. So basically, you can use that for freelance writing, like email newsletters. So instead of copying Claude's output directly, you can use it as a draft. Then you can edit, personalize, and fact check the content before delivering it to clients. Okay? So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can choose or you can basically choose which is the correct newsletter for you, for your client. And as you can see, all you have to do is to copy this and then paste it to Word and edit it. You just need the information of your client. Once done, you can send it to your client. And basically, that's one way. The second is to offer AI research services. So many businesses need help researching competitors, market trends, or industry insights. So Claude can help you summarize reports, analyze competitors, create research briefs, organize findings, build comparison tables, and package this into a research service for entrepreneurs, marketers, or small businesses. So as you can see, this is the example of business proposal. All you have to do is to download this and edit it according to your client's information. Another thing is that you can ask Claude AI to summarize reports, analyze competitors, create research briefs, organize findings, and build comparison tables. So, like what I mentioned earlier. Now, all you have to do is to just basically copy a report, and then below you can ask summarize report or analyze this, and then once done, then what you're going to do is press enter. Then Claude AI will summarize a report. And after that, you can send this result to your client or to your customer. So these are a few ways. Now, aside from organizing, building comparison, you can also ask Claude AI to create digital products for you. Always remember that Claude can help you create the following, such as, for example, ebook, checklist, templates, planners, workbooks, prompt guides, business documents. And as you can see, all you have to do is to answer this. What should focus on? Something like that. So while waiting for the planner, you can go to a website that is called Gumroad. So in Gumroad, you can sell here weekly planner, and a digital product like ebook and of course planner. So all you have to do is to create an account here in Gumroad and create your digital product and then sell it right here. Okay, so this is the sample of the weekly planner. You can download this or you can create also or copy and paste it in Canva, and then you can add more elements to this. So basically, that's it. Now, aside from that, Claude AI also can help you start a blog. So Claude AI can help you generate article ideas, create outlines, write first drafts, and so on. Aside from that, you can earn money through YouTube script writing. So if you have a YouTube channel or want to offer services for creators, Claude can help you create educational scripts, tutorials, product reviews, storytelling videos. Okay, so all you have to do is to just basically type it right here. Motivational content, video outline. So always add your own voice, examples, and personality to make the content unique and engaging. Okay, so this is a sample script for that. Aside from that, for social media content creation, businesses constantly need fresh content, so Claude can help you create Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts, a Facebook content, Twitter post, content calendars, and hashtag ideas. Also, it can help you for email marketing services like this one: promotional emails, welcome emails, product launches, newsletters, follow up sequences. So refine the drafts and tailor them to each client's brand and audience. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to copy, paste, and then change the following information according to your client's preference. Also, aside from that, you can create online course creation here in Cloud AI, course outlines, lesson scripts, worksheets, quizzes, student guides. And apart from that, you can also create resume and cover letter services. So there are a lot of things that you can do here or create here on Claude AI. But since this is just a limited version, so I can only show you some of the ways that you can earn money through Claude AI. So you can also do virtual assistant services. So you can use AI to speed up your workflow, always review, edit, focus on solving real problems, build a portfolio with sample works, and deliver consistent quality to earn repeat business and referrals. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.